everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tasty Craft. I'm Amrita. Today's recipe is healthy and tasty millet idli recipe. Nowadays people are including millets in their daily diets considering its health benefits. Some have replaced white rice with millet rice considering its health benefits. Without getting further delay, let's get started.
Here I've taken 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of millets. This is pearl millet. You can take any millets of your choice. Add water to clean it. Clean it well, there'll be a lot of dust in it. You need to clean it 2 or more times. Add fresh water and soak it for 8 hours. Add 1 tablespoon of sabudana which makes your idli super soft. Soak this mixture till 6 hours and grind it to a smooth paste. Then rest it for 8 hours. Now the batter is rested for 8 hours and nicely fermented. Mix well to stop further fermenting. Add some salt. Mix it together. Now the batter is ready to prepare idlis. We'll take the idli molds and add some oil on it. Apply oil well so that idlis won't stick to the plates. Repeat the process for all the plates. Pour idli batter into each mold. Repeat the process for all the idli molds. It's ready to cook now. Switch on the gas and heat the idli cooker. Add some water in it. Bring the water to boil and then place the idli molds and cook it for 10 minutes. Now the idlis are ready. Take it out from the mold. You can see how easily idlis are coming out and they are super soft. You don't find these are millet idlis at all. These are very tasty to have, more than the rice idlis actually. Serve these idlis with sambar and some chutney by the side.
Hope you found this video helpful. This video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.